Welcome to ZELIANGRONG. Huh? Liang my brother.
Oh, Liang my brother da.
See you after. This is live from Khaman Lampak Stadium, the men's stadium of Manipur.
Participating teams to be ready in according to the serial number of your team. Thank you.
Duyên mây nắng ta nó giàu nở bóng ni các cất cất thuy nâng tờ hậu ni na không quy bông mê ai với duyên mây ta
hát duyên dấu tiên mất mây nâng duyên mây nắng ta nó giàu nở bóng ni các cất thuy nâng tờ hậu ni na không quy bông mê ai với duyên mây ta.
sáng thuần muôn du mây lắc hăng mò duyên mây nai bông mê nai cơ khâu sáng phật đi mây lung la quay không mây mà ghê các khiêm lâu la ghê Hãy subscribe cắt sẽ căng cái cùng mày cả vòng gái mây bám khâu
Kadi.
Full beautiful got the drum marquee. Empty at the long rifle piece of love. Full thăng xuân hậu gái mây nắng nghe. Quanh dưới này thoáng vát vui cả thuy cả dĩ liang. You are my number one. I will dễ liang mây hoa này. Nắng cả dìm sáng nhé. Nắng cả mi liang về. Lên không nhé.
Announcement kada tidak kada jam yang association ZYA nuclear saya tahu technical committee komentar. Bapak, saya tu opening match sinani mai. Kai tham jam getting young association to 11 player list and
Good morning, Namaste, Kurunjari, Twandriway to all our esteemed guests, the talented players, enthusiastic coaches, supportive audience, and dear football fans. It's an honor to have you all with us today for the opening ceremony of the 14th Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2025. I am forward to hoist the ZFA flag. Anu tuang chief host rina flag hoist suba may gan kaw may buat rina sa kuang sumay na ding tawlo pang tanig mazang hoye. Next, the approaching team is Namdalong NFA, the runner-up team of the 13th Jadonang Memorial Football. Tagbuang na ba may itong team high Namdalong NFA? Can you high runner team 13 Jadonang 2022 JMFT Palalo kan ni team Club SSYC. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for them. GUFA, champion or winner team of the 9th, 7th and 5th Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2013, 2007 and 2003. KYC, champion team of the 6th Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2005. Kaiku Youth Club, ladies and gentlemen. The approaching team is Sawongbong Kabui Youth Club SKYC, serial number 6. The champion team of the 4th Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2000. Sawongbong Kabui Youth Club SKYC. Football Academy KFA. Soccer 11. Next, the approaching team is Hidaksong Youth, serial number 10, approaching Aling FC, AFC, representing from Tamenglong District. Aling FC, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Our chief guest, MLA Arun Kumar, is taking the salute from the participating teams. From my youth club, KRYC, serial number 11, Korenkay from my youth club, KRYC, representing from Imphal West, Imphal East District. Representing from Imphal East District. Team serial representing from Imphal East District. The next approaching team is serial number Development Association CYDA Chingkulong Youth Development Association CYDA, representing from Imphal West. The next approaching team is serial number 14, Gaisanlong Football Club GFA. Serial number 14, Gaisanlong Football Club GFC, representing from Churachandpur District.
Nice.
Youth Club AYC, serial number 15, Ariang Youth Club, representing from Tamenglong District.
Oi! Tamilo!
The next approaching team is IFC, serial number 16, Ibril Football Club, representing from Imphal West District. Approaching team is serial number 17, Namdilong Youth Club NYC. Serial number 17, Namdilong Youth Club NYC, representing from Kamnatongdi, Imphal West District.
Ogae!
Club is followed by serial number 34, Kaoseng Kaibuang Football Club, Iki YC. Serial number 34, Kaoseng Kaibuang Youth Club, KYC. Representing from All District.
Ladies and gentlemen, the practice of sportsmanship and competition have been so good. This is what participating teams to come forward near the flag bearer of ZFA. Participating teams were the flag bearer Lutarina, Alito, Kahuko, Ding, Nabangay, ZFA, the flag bearer Dangkao, Nanutu.
Do hereby swear in the name of Almighty God that our team club shall abide by the rules and regulations of the ZELIANGRONG Football Association during the 14th JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament 2025 and shall play in the spirit of them as a sportsman for the best interest of the ZELIANGRONG people. ZELIANGRONG! Vintero! ZELIANGROng! Vintero! Okay, thank you. Thank you, President.
걸어면서 상아 브로
Thank you. That was indeed a very beautiful presentation by Miss Thuy Rongmei. Let us give a round of applause for Miss Thuy Rongmei.
Nice, nice. Hold on, Mazo. Okay, all the best. Kayo. Ariang.
ZFA presidential address.
Kasiamlong FC. All the best.
Kulong FC.
Kulong. Ting Kulong.
FC.
Oh, that's it. Mahabali.
Cái để tấm này mình cái bao con tinh cầu nó con cái này không tuổi cần như con mẹ sai ra đây là sao nó mẹ phôi đi nó address
Aling.
tại nào cái sao nó thế karam con nằm cái gì
Thoramai.
Hidak song mấy không?
Hả?
Hidak song mấy?
Hidak sung yukla. Acha.
Azan rồi đó, nè. From mấy cái.
Okay, okay. Smart thế, nang to smart thế.
memorial football tournament ông đốc bagi ting liam lawa orang sida
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ